We are playing Murderers versus Sheriffs, and this game looks very cool. So we're gonna 1v1. Oh, gonna 1v1 people. And this is my first time playing this game, guys. This is my first ever time. So we're gonna play this game. So let's go. This one. Why am I not quite loading? Just get the zoom. Oh, this is our enemy, guys. Okay, we have the guns. Oh, this is what do I do? Do I shoot them? Yeah, obviously. Where is he? Bro, I won! This guy is AFK? Gonna at least hit him with the sword. I mean the knife. What? What? Got him. No way. This guy is winning. I mean, this guy is losing slash winning. I mean, losing slash better. I need to make him a kill. I need to. Got them. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Oh. 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 Back. Oh. Back. Oh. Oh. Back. There we go. Lesser victory. Was be teammates with this dude. He's using a controller. Absolute. Bro, do not do like the house. Oh, this is using this. Oh, got him. Shing, 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 shing. There we go. Oh, I was like tryharding, like my bro was like jumping a lot. Boy. Ping. Oh, my bro got disconnected. Oh, we won again. Two winning streak. Better whip. Now let's do the ridge. I don't know. I don't know how they say that. why am I using... Got him. Pang. Oh, dang, that bullet shot. Wow, that's bullet shot. Oh, miss. Oh. Ah, there we go. This girl is good. No. Their first win. Their first win. Dude, no. It's a shot. Nice one. Oh, he's using that. What is that? He's a mobile player. Do not bully him. Tyler, please. Give him a chance. Nice one. Let's go. W. W. Alright, both of them. He is getting jumped. He is getting jumped. No. No. We lost. We lost. The first loss. And now I know where to go. I know they're gonna be... Ooh, shot. Get shot. Get shot like actually. Bang. Oh, dang. Ping. There we go. I got 2 of them. Or I think so. And we reach. Oh, we almost reached level 2. Already with 3 winning streak is crazy. Let's go here. Two women's. Oh, this is black man. Oh, no. Come on, please pick this. Yes. They know what's my idea now, but first of all, I need to go to the very top. His teammate sucks. Pang. There we go. Did I shot to them? I don't know. Because my screen recording is blocking my way. Pang. Oh no, I'm dead. Pang. 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 There we go. I got him. Pang. Oh, miss. No way! How? No way he got me. Pang. My worst enemy is that good. Back. Pang. Oh, miss. Bah! Shing. There you go. I got him. Pang! Oh, miss. Come on, boy. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Who's? 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 My Shing. Shing Shing. Oh, miss. What's up? Let's go. Domination. Let's go. Domination. Let's go. Domination. He got shot by the nuts. The fudge is that? Using a ghost or something? Why am I dying to? Am I dying to a woman? Oh wow! I just keep spamming the. Bro, no, my teammate. No, okay. I thought no, he's lagging. He's lagging. No. This could not be possible. This is possible. This is impossible. My teammate is lagging. I guess I need to win this for my teammate. This is impossible. We're gonna lose. This is freaking 2v1. So I need to win this. For all. Watch me how to go plane. Yes! Teammate is back! Teammate just glitching. What the hell? Teammate just glitching. That's the problem. Shoot the hell out of him. What the hell? Yeah, we're gonna lose. Yeah, I know. Dude, how? How they shooting this good? My teammate choking, so we're gonna lose. The prick is that loud. What the prick is this lag? He's singing. He's singing. There we go. Bro, my teammate just lag. That's why we lose. What should I team on? Black. This dude. This black. Oh. Come. Nope. Come here before winning streak, dude. Come here, Tyler. Come here, Tyler. Let's go. Hey, sorry. If you heard that, that's nice. Let's go. You need. You gotta be kidding. I'm gonna lose because of you. He's such a noob. Shing. Oh, dang. Shing. How did we lost already? Hey, bro. Shing can. Shing time. Shing time. Shing. I'm not using that. I'm not using that. Come, boy. Come on, boy. Shoot him. Let's go. Okay. Screeny. I need some screeny. Bagong siya. So money. Money. There we go. Nice shot. To shoot the balls, okay? Yeah, I got you, bro. There you go. Where the hell is this tryhard? Oh, is it there? Ping! This is what you called comeback. Pang. Oh, I missed. Shing. What? How did she got me with that? Come on. Do not. No. Tony. No. He also lagging. Why does every time when I always keep going with the player and always lagging. What the hell? The chat blocked me. The chat thing blocked me. What? Now I need to do this all for myself. Pang. Come here, boy. Come here, boy. Pang. Shing shing. Come here, boy. Shing shing. Shing. Pang. Miss. Pang. There we go. Sir, yes, sir. 2v1. This is one of my bros. Think I miss. Oof. We're trapped. Pang. There we go. Oh no. Where is she, bro? Pang. There we go. Come back. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go, bacon. Let's do a load. This is my last one because I'm quite bored. All of them are here? What? Oh no, they're good. What the hell are these? What the fudge are these powers? No, one of them is there. What? How did they hit me? How the hell did they hit me there? I'm very lucky. Shing, 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 shing. There we go. Oh, how? No, what the hell? How did they do that? I got them cornered. They dumb. Ping. Hoof, 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 hoof. Are they tryhards or something? Or are they just good? If we won at this once, you guys have to like and subscribe. This guy's rushing. This guy's rushing. Come here, stupid. Come here, boy. He's there. He's there. Shing, 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 shing. There we go. Ooh. Their best player is now here. Shing, shing. There we go. We got 2 wins. W. But now we're just even gonna lose, so it's alright. Oh, they're both here. Shing, shing. There we go. shing, 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 shing. Oh, still comes back that. Oh my god. I did not saw that. Bro. But, yep. Bro, I don't know how, but we got 3 wins from that. It's gonna be the end of the video, guys. Bye bye.